Yeah. Oh my god. I love it so much. Good morning. It is day 3. Like day 3 of being in the parks. We are in Animal Kingdom, obviously. Squirrel. And we got Duncan, but I recorded that because we did that on day 1, so didn't need to see it again. What's the time? 8:50. We are in the parks a bit late. There was a bit of traffic and we did leave late.
Oh yeah,
yeah, we can't blame the traffic. I didn't take that long to get ready today. As long. We are going to Anabi River because it's 20 minutes and it gives me time to drink this because it's enormous. And I'm a wilderness explorer. Right, the mission today is to see Kevin because we didn't see Kevin last time and he's one of my favourite characters. And I need to see him because he's so cute. Well, she is so cute.
Give it a minute here, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Can you lower that stick?
Start drinking it.
They don't like drinks in here, do they? I
Yeah,
got
you
told
spill
to.
it.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, and there probably isn't any bins.
She's definitely thinking, there's no way you're finishing that all that stuff.
No. When I thought she meant the one that was next to her.
I don't want to.
Are you joking?
I've drunk loads.
No, you
I drank
haven't.
my whole drink.
Oh. I don't think this is 25 minutes. Oh, to be fair, it actually doesn't.
It's moving pretty quick.
Oh, it literally just goes straight down. It's not like.
Yeah. Pretty sure I see a car.
I mean, there's really.
over there.
Is it actually?
Like the one in the blue.
Oh, I'm just gonna have to bin it on.
There's a bin right there. You've got to start drinking.
I was gonna put it in. Yeah, this might be 25 minutes. Oh, you can't see the food, but these chairs are sticky.
I don't think you're going to be needing the syrup.
Really? Apparently it's quite dry.
So, over this.
So we got the cinnamon French toast from, where's this called? Something Cantina, I think.
It's in Pandora.
Satuli Cantina, I think I probably pronounced that really wrong, but we just sharing it because we're not big eaters for breakfast. Well, not really big eaters to be honest.
We share everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway. In England we get our own.
Quite good.
That's pretty good.
Good.
There's still loads left.
There's me scraping the scrannies and you take half the thing.
Done right.
And now we with the lady is working again. For a few months ago, I don't know when it got fixed, but what's it called? What'd you say? What did you just lady?
Just the animatronic.
Yeah, the animatronic was broken, and she's fixed. We didn't know if she was fixed or not, and I don't think we waited 25 minutes either. This was $13.83 including tax.
That's pretty good.
It's not very cinnamony.
I think it's pretty cinnamony. Definitely didn't need a syrup.
No, a lot of people, literally everyone that I watched had this, said it was quite dry. And they said, like, I wish we could have syrup, but there was syrup. I asked the lady.
Were they American by any chance?
Yeah.
American people just love syrup and stuff, don't they?
Yeah, no, but there is syrup to have.
I know, but that's what I mean. I think like you just don't need it though. Like, I think it's just nice as it is.
It's like perfectly like
It's
warm.
not too sweet, not too sickly.
Yeah, it's nice, but I wouldn't get it again.
I don't feel like you don't have French toast though.
No, I don't think I do either.
Every time we've had French toast anywhere, you say it's gross.
I don't think it's gross, it's like not. Alright, don't know what we're going to do next. We do have that lightning lane for something, but that will probably be. We'll probably do the safari. Maybe we could go see the baby tiger.
Yeah, we'll see what we're doing.
There is some wait time.
I say you can see how busy it is though.
Can you? Maybe. I'll have a look.
This must be shut last time.
Yeah, because I don't remember going down here.
We didn't.
Because didn't we try and then it didn't let us?
Yeah, it must have been shut.
Yeah. Okay, we want to go over here.
Oh. Damn, that's far.
Yeah. It's so pretty. Under the bridge. So I think this is where the characters on the boat come along, like.
That would explain why we didn't see it last time.
Yeah, well, I don't know if they were doing it while we were there, because like we were in Animal Kingdom quite a lot. I feel like we would have seen them at least once, and we stayed at the bridge for a little while. I can't remember if I said, but we're going to look for the baby tiger. It's literally 9:50. It's so hot. Right, change of plan. We're going to Everest first because it's 25 minutes and then we'll go see the tiger. Because Everest will probably go up. Oh, someone's going on it.
You keep raising it too quick.
It's probably not the best time to start recording, but the time is 9:58. So we'll see if it's 25 minutes. It's probably the only photo that I'm willing to show you because all the others are so bad. But such a good ride. Right, we're now going to see the baby tiger. They have a... There they are! Oh, they're laying down. Will it let me zoom in? No. Can you see? Oh! Oh, he's getting up. Yeah, apparently they have an indoor, so I didn't know about.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think they can get in through that window. Cuties. So big. That one's like in a cocoon. Can't zoom in anymore, but I don't know if you can see him. Actually, I think that's the dad. Or is that the dad? Is that the dad?
What?
Is that the dad?
I'm not doing it.
So cute.
It's so big.
A buffalo's ass. Oh.
You filming his booty?
I'm filming his booty. He's arcing up. There's some duckies.
Someone's eating all the parts.
He's on the move. Oh. He's Fanning out. I love it when they wiggle their bums. We didn't see the baby tiger, but we saw a very beautiful mama.
Yeah.
I don't know. What's in there? Do you want to go look in there?
That's birds.
Birds? Oh. I don't think anything's in here. Nothing. Nothing's in there.
See how long it takes?
Yeah.
10:54. The queue's an hour, but we're using our lightning lane.
No, 75.
75. We're using our lightning lane that we got for free
Yeah.
because of our issue we had yesterday.
Yeah. I didn't video us scanning the thing.
Oh yeah. So we shall update you on how long it takes. It still looks like quite a big queue.
It doesn't look quite a big queue.
It's quite literally a lightning lane.
Yeah, we have been in the queue. It's now 11 o'clock and we are basically going to be getting on in like 2 minutes. So I don't know how long, I can't remember what time we actually got in the queue, but it's not very long. Yeah, that's so good. We got row 1 again.
We're on baby stage 20, which means let's go. Jumbo everyone and welcome aboard the Kilimanjaro Safaris. Rhino. Now the black rhino is going to be the smaller subspecies of rhino in Africa. Believe it or not, weighing around 3,000 pounds. The main source of their diet is fish, so a lot of the times you'll see these pelicans swooping down into the water to actually eat that fish. Or sometimes they'll stick their head upside down too. If you're wondering what these black colored birds are, they are a species of vulture native to Florida. So I'm not really sure how they flew all the way here to Africa. But these vultures, they are a part of the ecosystem here. So they're going to look a little bit like rocks in the water, but there are going to be some Nile hippos right by the rock walls. Now, a group of hippo like this is going to be called a zelote. And they can nap on the bottom of the water like they're doing now, but they can hold their breath for several minutes at a time. Now, eventually, when they need that breath of fresh air, their body, it will subconsciously rise right back up to the surface for them. Pretty neat. Owls are the first predators that we're encountering today on our journey together. So we're going to go nice and slowly. This is a group of Nile crocodiles. The Nile crocodiles are each about 16 to 20 feet long, probably about the same length as your average. Left-hand side, there's also some sable antelopes. Now, sable antelopes are known for their courageousness. Sometimes now, giraffes, due to their great height, they actually have one of the largest hearts in the animal kingdom. They need a big, powerful heart to pump all that blood up to the very top of their head. Which on the left here. Oh, maybe never mind. Hi. Bye. Alrighty, I think they're going to be a sweetheart and let us go. But that was super cool. Now this African elephant is all alone, so that's a great indication to me. It is most likely a boy. They're also going to be a little bit larger than the greater flamingos. They're not called the greater flamingos because they're better than the other ones. They're just the larger of the species. But do you guys know how flamingos turn pink? Shrimp, yeah, all the shrimp they like to eat. There's those white rhino once again on the right as well.
As you can tell, that was really good. I'm so glad we done it at that time. Literally had a giraffe walk straight in front of our car. And I thought she was well good. Her name was Amber.
How do you remember that?
I don't know, so I can tell them.
Oh.
What do you mean? How do I remember that? She didn't say her name was Amber, but
I was going to say.
yeah, she literally. I learnt so much. Like normally they just like they crack jokes, which is funny, but like they kind of just tell you the same things. With her, like she literally told us so much that I didn't know before. I say Disney Springs. It is 11:30. Hi! Hello! Oh. What's this? Saratoga Springs. Oh, look at that Mickey on there. I want to take a picture of that. It's so peaceful here. This is Saratoga Springs. It's huge. Took us 4 stops to get to this actual, like the one that's walkable to Disney Springs.
It does take a while to get from.
Yeah. Didn't we leave at 12?
It's a while to get from Animal Kingdom to here.
Yeah, it's now 12:43. The boathouse, no. It's quite hard to get a reservation. So I got the barbecue with onion ring burger from. Oh, we're at Deluxe Burger. I know, but I really wanted. I know, and then Ben got the. What did you get? Pastrami burger. And this view, you can eat it now, Ben. You can eat. You can eat.
It's my one.
Yeah.
It's gonna go everywhere.
Take a cheese ball. We've got chipotle mayo sauce.
Garlic bun.
I think there's any barbecue sauce, yeah? That was good.
Yeah.
Can you just show? This is literally unreal. How have we never had it before?
That was it.
I mean, Deluxe Burger in general, like, Deluxe Burger is quite popular.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we got a milkshake. It was a salt camera one from Deluxe Burger
Insert
again.
photo here.
Oh, stop doing that. It's really hard to do. Yeah, I'll have a little bit. It's actually got vanilla pot like beans in.
Yeah. It was from Deluxe Burger as well, and it was banging.
It was really good. It's quite expensive though, $8.
You know what though? No matter how hot it gets, I'm always cold. That's what I tell myself.
We've just been in a few shops at Disney Springs. I got some of the like pin stoppers so you can put them on your bag and they won't go anywhere.
Don't go anywhere.
And then I got one of the mystery pin things. I would like either the car from Wreck-It Ralph, the one from Pizza Planet, Toy Story, Cruella de Vil, Incredibles. To be fair, all of them apart from these two, because I think that one's from 101 Dalmatians, and then this one, I don't know. So, to be fair, I probably told you, but let's open it. You know what it is. It's literally the only one I don't know what it is.
What is the chance of that?
Literally. That's so funny. That's a sign. I need to pin trade it. I want to go get another one now.
Addicted.
They are addictive. That's so funny.
The regret. How much was that?
$10. $9.99.
$10 down the Swanee.
No, it's not, because I want to do some pin trading. So I'm kind of glad about it, to be honest. Because if I had got one that I wanted...
Yeah, but what are you going to trade it for?
On the board?
Yeah, but
One that I like.
what if you trade it for a fake one?
Well, I like it, so it doesn't really matter. That's how I saw a TikToker. I saw that's what that's their mindset on it, and I quite like that mindset.
Yeah, but like you bought like a 10 quid one, you could trade it for like a 2p one.
Oh well, they're not like I don't know. You couldn't like trade mine. Like they're obvious that they're not real. Like they'll look at them and be like, I've never seen those before. But let's go have a look. Hello. It's cute. Do you like any of them? I like that one. Thank you. Of course. Not any that took my fancy. I've just looked for some others. Should we go to Epcot now then?
Yeah. Where's the bus?
I think it's quite far away. Do you want to go back to the resort and get the bus from there?
How do we find out where we get the bus from?
On your thing?
On what?
On the Disney app.
Welcome to Epcot.
Second park of the day. So cool, I didn't know they did that. I didn't know they did that.
I think we saw them last time.
Really?
Yeah.
What, last time we were here?
They must know how to tell if a pin's real or fake. They literally like.
Yeah, they know a lot about pins, yeah. And they probably already have the one I got.
future. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, bananas, cacao, coffee, and rice, are well known around the world. These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted. The starchy root of the plant has long been used to make flour for baking. One day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat. More than 28 million tons of bananas are... tilapia, bass, and catfish, like the ones you see here, are three of the most popular crops raised by fish farmers. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world. These plants are definitely on their way up.
La rose, ça part avec la rose de cueillère et tout.
The Mickey. That's so cute. Ben walking downstairs. "65 minutes.
Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration.
Then you're likely doomed. Good luck.
Rock and roll from existing. What have we done? I think we jumped back. Big bang.
15 minutes. Finally going on it. So we just went on soaring for the first time. We didn't say anything about Guardians either. We got the worst song, Conga.
The worst song, good ride.
It's banging ride still, but
Some fish.
fishies. But yeah, we just done soaring. Got the worst seat. And
I liked it. I don't want to be super high.
yeah, and I had a chatterbox next to me that spoke the whole time.
Honestly, I've just been non-stop hearing this. I had someone with bad breath saying absolutely stoned. But you ain't got the wrist strap on. If you drop that,
It's alright.
it's not right.
And then the one when you say that, well, 5 people that watch my video. Anyway.
Put yourself down like that.
I know, I'm joking. So we're getting this boat to Mexico, I think it is. Because we're going to eat at this barbecue place that we ate last time. It was really good.
Barbecue,
And then we're going to get the skyliner, watch sunset. Sunrise.
I don't think it really matters.
Her it goes to Mexico, even though I know it doesn't. It goes to Morocco, so we're in Morocco now. It's okay. Yeah. Are you hungry?
No.
Oh.
We'll get food. It's fine.
No, not if you're not hungry.
I'll eat it.
Well, we'll just get something and share it.
Yeah.
So it is in, I don't know what this is called, but the American Adventure. Yeah, this building. Oh, Smokehouse. Regal Eagle Smokehouse. The food slaps. We got 2, yeah.
That's the name of it. Regal.
Yeah. Just read it. Thank you guys. It's so good. We got half.
From their gardens.
I think so too. We went on living in the land, and they I don't think I filmed it. They grow their own watermelons. Well, they grow a lot of food, but this might be the watermelon that they grow. Also, there's a bird in my bowl, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. But I think it is nice. Is it not? Wait, did we get the chicken last time?
It looks good.
Alright, and then we got a drink, but it's half a cup because it took too long to fill up. I'm slacking a bit. I'm a bit tired, so I might be filming a bit less, but nice. Ben likes it. It's really tender. We're now going to Hollywood Studios. So,
Oh, indeed. Third part, isn't it?
third part. Oh, pinballs. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, we also went to Disney Springs, so that's 3 different places.
Yeah.
We are pooped. Well, I am pooped.
Well, we've been here. Animal Kingdom, Disney Springs, here. What have we seen? 4 places.
And we're getting the skyliner. So cool. Oh, you're in it.
We
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Epcot International Gateway. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with a final stop at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Epcot and World Showcase. Did you learn how to say hello in a different language today?
Aloha.
How'd you say it in Japanese? Woman literally said it to you. Yeah.
Thank you, isn't it? But
Huh?
how does it? Ariganeimasu or something?
I have no idea.
I don't know. It is thank you.
Soon we'll be flying past Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. This charming lakeside resort offers magical lounges, enchanting restaurants, and live entertainment on the boardwalk every evening. Ladies, gentlemen, and islanders of all ages, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner and Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Didn't like me for
You
a
got a
sec.
dodgy ticket, dude.
I did have a dodgy ticket. Right, I think the plan is... Oh, I've forgotten to tell what the time is for a while. 7:40. We were in Epcot. How long were we in Epcot for? Like, maybe like 3 hours, 2 hours. I think we got there at 3.
Rising Resistance 35, Rocky Roller Coaster 40, Mickey's Runaway Railway is 35. Should we do Mickey's Runaway Railway because it's right here, and then we'll do Rocky Roller Coaster if we've got time?
Yeah.
Because the show's up here and I really don't want to walk all the way down to the other one.
Yeah, it's a bit far in there. And just in case.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do that. What's Rock and Roll, what's Mickey's Runaway?
35.
Okay, alright.
Which isn't too bad.
No, it's fine.
It's usually about an hour in it.
Yeah. Sort of, yeah.
What the building looks different.
Do you think?
Oh, did it have that temple on top?
Yes.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't remember that.
Really?
They should put the Tower of Terror in the centre though.
Oh.
You know.
In the centre?
Yeah.
Why? I don't know. It might have been my thingy.
Do you think why not?
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe. My bag might off.
No, it wasn't there. It was like hard.
I like the Mickey's Runaway temples in the middle.
Yeah. It's a fairly new ride though.
To us, yeah.
But next time we're here, we
probably
need to
not.
watch the we still need to watch the bird show in Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
Well, for this holiday, and I want to watch the Indiana Jones thing again, even though it's a bit cringe.
I mean, alright, yeah. I want to watch the Muppets one because they're getting rid of it, so... And we didn't do it last time. So I'd like to do that.
1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
That concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now.